Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix missing Instagram notes. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First off, open App Store and search for Instagram. If it says update right next to the Instagram app, just tap that little update button so that you can get a new version of Instagram. If that doesn't work, then open up the Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines at the top right. Tap on settings at the very top here, and tap on account towards the bottom. Switch to professional account. It kind of fixes the bugs or features that you haven't necessarily received yet. After having a professional account now, hit the home button, go to messages, and see if it works. You can do the same steps if you know to switch back to personal account. If they still don't appear, you can always try to delete the app and then reinstall it again. If those methods doesn't work, then you might need to wait a little bit longer for the new feature. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!